Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up custom live wallpapers on Lively. So if you still haven't installed Lively yet, what you can do is type in Lively wallpaper right here and then look for Rox Danister Lively wallpaper right here. And then you will get into this website. And then all you need to do is to just download it. So you can either download this via an installer or you can get it from Microsoft. Either way, you'll be able to install the software to your computer. Now, once that you have installed Lively, if you can't locate it, then it will be here on the bottom right. Just click on Show Hidden Icons, and then you should be able to see the Lively wallpaper icon right here. Just go ahead and right click on this, and then open Lively. Now this will open up the Lively software, and then as you can see, this is my current desktop background. Now, if we go ahead and choose any of these wallpapers, I'm just going to click on this right here. This will then adjust the wallpaper that I currently have. So as you can see, this Lively wallpaper interacts with my mouse right here, which is pretty cool. So you can go ahead and, try out all of these different ones. And if you have 2 monitors or more, just go ahead and click on this right here. And you should be able to select which ones that you can use. So as you can see, it's currently selected on one of this, but if you want it across both screens, you can just go ahead and select this. It will then adjust so that it will go into both of the monitors. So this particular wallpaper puts the jellyfish right in the middle of both of the screens. So I'm just gonna put this back into the selected screen. Now, one of the things that you can do as well is that you can choose your personal wallpaper that you want. All you need to do is click on the plus icon right here, and then you can drag and drop the wallpaper that you have. So the wallpapers can be videos that you have, or you can also add in a YouTube video. So let's go over to YouTube, and you can pretty much use whatever kind of videos there are. So say for example, let's take a look at this one right here. If you want to take a look at some more wallpapers, then just, easily search for them. Say for example, we have these right here. And say for example that we want to take a look at this city skyline. And as you can see, this is pretty cool. So this is running for around 12 hours time. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on the share icon right here and then copy the link of that YouTube. Now we're going to go back into Lively, and then we're going to be posting the URL right here. So just go ahead and right click and then click paste. Now let's click the right arrow key. This will then upload that video into it. So you can just go ahead and adjust the title, the description, the author, and the website itself. So let's say for example, let's change this to city skyline screensaver, or wallpaper. Let's call it wallpaper, and then click OK. What will happen now is that Lively will download that video over right here. And then once that it is ready, you can go ahead and select this. So as you can see, it has set this as my current wallpaper at the moment. You can see that it is not fully 4K yet. This is because this is still rendering or installing the actual file itself. But once that it is all set up, you can see it all right here. This is now your wallpaper, so you can go ahead and explore. Most of the time, the videos itself has its own personal sound or has its own sound. If it is quite annoying and it is playing in the background, you can remove that by going onto the settings right here, and then going all the way down. And then, you can go ahead and remove this. So play audio only when the screen is focused, or you can even tune this all the way down here if you want. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.